On this week's episode, high-end audio playback on the go. Hello, I'm Arron from Richer Sounds, and on this episode, we're looking at the Focal Celestee closed-back headphones. French loudspeaker makers Focal have entered the headphone game in recent years with some truly astonishing headphones, and the Celestees are no exception. TechRadar.com have even called them one of the best pair of closed-back headphones money can buy. That's high praise. Focal have always got that simple, minimalist, high-end packaging. The Celestees are going to sound fantastic, especially when you hook them up to a dedicated hi-fi, but Focal have taken into consideration what it might be like to take them on the go with you, so they've given you this extra tough carry case. Looking inside the box, you've got a basic instruction manual just to get going. They've of course provided you with the headphone extension cable as well, so you've got one connector going to each of the earphones and then down to the device. Even though you can use these headphones with a portable device like a phone or a laptop, if you really want to get the best out of the Celestees, we recommend that you maybe purchase an external headphone amplifier. These headphones are absolutely gorgeous, and they look so unique in that navy blue colour as well. From the moment you hold them, you can just tell that it's a premium pair of headphones. Look at all that little amazing copper detailing on them as well, it's such a nice touch. That premium finish extends to the headband as well. You've got a leather exterior and a sort of microfiber interior, and it just helps reduce fatigue for when you're listening to them for long periods of time. The Celestees use a combination of aluminium and magnesium, and those 40mm drivers have got exceptionally precise levels of detail. Focal use their unique M-shaped inverted dome speaker system in these headphones, which helps to improve the dynamic scale and bass response. And there we go, the Focal Celestee over-ear closed-back headphones. If you want to listen to these in person, why not pop into your local Richer Sound store today and organise a demo. In the meantime, please don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for joining me for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.